Kunesiphithiphithi kuleli lokishi njengoba bafundzi bamashele kusikolo sinye kuya kulesinye bafuna kuboshwe lothishela. Lendvodza leneminyaka lengama-30 lefundzisa eMchele Secondary School igcine kubona esikoleni ngelesihlanu njengaloko emaphoyisa athi ayachubeka nekumthungatha. Umtimbo webafundzi ikhosasi ucele bafundzi ukuthi babuyele emagunjini ekufundza njengoba bemthetho batawenda umsebenzi wabo.
They've assured us that he won't come to school, and we assured them that if we see him, they'll see. But what is important is that we need to ensure that learners are in class learning, and also we are calling our parents to come and defend us, because we are a such generation that is led by non-thinkers. We can't have educators in this bureaucracy who still have sex with learners or sleep with learners. It shows that there's something wrong about them. But what I can tell you, it's a progressive meeting, and as stakeholders who are agreeing. Remember, what is important, a black child must be in class being taught. As scholars will not be able to see learners being disrupted. We are fighting for free education. That's it.
Litiko letemfundvo eGauteng lithi selicalile kululeka ngokwengqondo lomfundzi loneminyaka leli-16. Maphoyisa acela umphakathi ukuthi usite ngelwati lolutawuholela ekuboshweni kwalothishela.